How to create a video from photos in Canva. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your pictures into a slideshow-style video in Canva step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to Canva. Now, create a free Canva account or log into your existing account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click on Create a Design. From the menu, select Video. Now, choose the video format you want to use. If you want a landscape video, select 1920 by 1080 video. If you want a vertical, mobile-style video for TikTok or Shorts, select mobile video instead. Once your video project opens, click on Uploads from the left sidebar. Now, click Upload Files and select the photos you want to turn into a video. Once the images finish uploading, drag your first image onto the timeline. Now, resize and position the image if needed. Then drag your next image behind the first one to sequence the video. Repeat this process for all of your photos. You'll now see all of your images placed in the timeline as separate images. By default, each photo may stay on screen for several seconds. If you want to shorten the time, click on the timing option and adjust the duration if you want the images to move faster or slower for each clip. To make the slideshow smoother, hover between the clips and click Add Transition. Select a transition like Dissolve to create a smooth fade between the photos. Now, preview your slideshow video to see how the images transition together. If you want to add music, download a song or audio track to your computer first. Then go back to Uploads and upload the audio file into Canva. Drag the audio file onto the timeline underneath your photos. You can also adjust the volume so the music plays softly in the background. Now, preview the full slideshow with the music added. Once you're finished, click Share at the top right corner. Then click Download and make sure MP4 video is selected. Click Download again and Canva will export your photo slideshow video. And that's it. That's how you can create a video from photos in Canva easily.